Hi, I just created a Facebook group called sharingyourpassion.com, and one of the first things I need to do is personalize my page. I'm going to use Canva, which is probably the #1 software, most popular software to create your social media graphics. And I'm also going to use Glorify, the new kid on the block who has a lot to offer. And I'll be using Glorify as well to create my Facebook photo cover page, and I'll be comparing the two. Welcome to sharingyourpassion.com. I'm Chil, and my goal is to help you transform your passions into an online business. I will assist you with creating WordPress websites, online courses, email automation, membership sites, social media and how to make it work for you, sales and marketing, and more. Basically, you provide the passion and I provide assistance, and let's work to get your dreams realized. Subscribe and click the notification bell to set your dreams in motion. I've logged into my Canva account. This is what it looks like. These are some of the ones I've created before. And I need a Facebook group cover template. Looks like they don't have a Facebook template that I can just easily find. It's not up here. Or it might be, but no, it's not up here. Unless I missed it. And I've been scanning down here and I haven't found it. So there's no easy way to find a Facebook group cover template. Looks like Canva does everything. You know, they're not just into business, they're into announcements, parties, labels, postcards. So they run the gamut of all graphics needs, which is probably why they're #1 as well. They have a lot of templates for a lot of things. But it makes it hard to find my Facebook template that I need. Okay, so these came up, templates, Facebook group cover, that's my search term. Looks like they have different sizes. So the size is supposed to be something like this. But I think it's not strict as some other graphic requirements are for social media. I don't think Facebook's that strict about the sizing of this thing. So any of these will work. I'll just scroll down to give you an idea what some of the templates look like. Some are nice, some are really nice. And they do have quite a lot. Okay, let's give this one a shot. I like the colors, there's an image there. Let's give that a click. This is available for the free account, which is the one I have. I haven't paid for Canva yet. Oh, I see, I can't use this image. It's something maybe I would be able to use if I upgraded. So that would be $10 a month. If we click on remove watermarks, we have to pay $1 to use this. Let's delete that. Import one of my images. Let me bring this in. So now I have my image here, but I don't have a tool to remove the background. Unfortunately, there's no way to remove the background. So if I were to use Canva, I would have to use this entire image. If I didn't want the background with my profile image, I would have to remove that with another software. So I would use GIMP or Windows Paint 3D or Gravit, which I have videos on. But again, Canva cannot remove my background image, so that's one disadvantage. Let's just increase that a little bit. Anyway, this is a test. Then let's download it. Okay, download, file type. Okay, let's save it as that. And here they show you, a little advertisement of their premium service. $10 a month, I believe. So now let's upload this graphic into our Facebook group page. Let's go to my other browser where I'm logged in into Facebook. Okay, upload photo. Yellow red van. And so let's drag to reposition. So now I have a Facebook group cover photo, but it doesn't look that clear. It's not that sharp. And let's check out the downloaded file. Yes, it's not that, it's not in high definition. It's not, the resolution of the free download in Canva is not the greatest resolution. It's probably better for like a thumbnail, not a full-on header page image. Okay, so that's Canva. Oh, that's a little bit of a disappointment for Canva. Okay, so now let's try the new kid on the block. New in 2019, I think it came out in August, and we are now in September. And I think this is the one I'm going to be using for the long haul, because it has some of the features I really like, and the price point was great, at least for now. I think you really have to take action. If you like what you see, you probably want to buy it now before they stop this promo. They have a promo for early adopters. Okay, so now let's go to Glorify. Okay, so this is Glorify, and this is what you'll see when you log in. So we need a social media graphic. And what I like about Glorify here is they've broke it down to social media and the big companies, Facebook, and this is general marketing, Google ad banners, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube. And we are doing a Facebook cover photo, event cover, group cover. This is what I want. So let's click that. Here are their templates. And if you scroll down, get a taste of what they have. So Glorify, unlike Canva, is more targeted for businesses, online marketers, people who are selling stuff online, not just for invitations to parties or postcards. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, so what I'll do is okay, now let's replace this image with my profile image. Okay, let's click that, replace this, and you go to uploads, and I've already uploaded this image, but the thing is, it still has the background, which I need to get rid of, and thankfully Glorify has the background remover. Canva did not have it. So to remove that background, just click the button here, BG Remover. It comes in a 2-panel format. On this side is your workspace. This is the end result. And all you have to do is draw green lines around the perimeter of the image you want to keep. And draw a red line around the images you don't want to keep. There, and we're done. So click done. Perfect, yeah. Let me save that. And let's download this so we can upload it. Download it as a normal PNG cover. Then let's head on over to Facebook. Okay, let's replace this Canva image with the glorified image. So click the change group cover and bang! See that? What a big difference. This is a high quality image. And let me save that. And now I have a good quality Facebook cover photo, which was easy to do, as you saw. So when it comes down to whether I'm going to use Canva or Glorify for this, hands down Glorify wins. The early adopter pricing of $97 will only be available for a very short time only. It will expire sometime in October 2019. When the deal ends, this Pro plan is projected to be priced at a recurring $445 a year. That is a 78% discount of the yearly fee, but the best thing is you only pay once for lifetime access. I don't think there's a better deal out there where you get an extremely powerful graphics tool that will make you so much more productive, especially because it is so easy to use. And that's why I bought it the first few minutes I stumbled upon this awesome software. For those who are in online business, e-commerce, or online marketing, it is essential to have a capable graphics design software like Glorify. It is a highly competitive business, and to compete well, the quality of your images, your graphics, most definitely has to be outstanding to separate yourself from others. But you don't just need a good graphics software, you also need a library of stock images to make your product stand out. There are free stock sites out there where you can find some decent royalty-free supporting graphics or photos. But unfortunately, because they're free, those images are used rampantly by others, so they get stale quickly. And you can pay for professional stock, but the cost gets expensive, hundreds or thousands of dollars a year for unlimited access. For a limited time, Glorify is offering an upgrade of a one-time payment for unlimited access to Icon 8's library. This normally costs $20 a month, $240 a year every year, but Glorify and Icons 8 made a temporary deal to offer this one-time payment upgrade for $200. It's hard to find affordable one-time payment with unlimited access service like this. I hate having to pay recurring fees, especially when the prices aren't affordable. That's why I haven't bought any of Adobe's graphics software like Photoshop or Illustrator. I use GIMP, Inkscape, and now Glorify. And by the way, I couldn't resist. Even though I'm a self-confessed cheapskate, I did pay for the Glorify upgrade because I think adding over 100,000 premium graphics, models, backgrounds, icons, etc. to possibly the best, easiest to use, powerful graphics software was worth the extra $200. I bet I'm going to add a lot more clients and sales with my new Glorify Icons 8 package upgrade, and it only takes just one client to more than pay for the $200 upgrade. It was an easy decision for me. What kind of worried me is if I only took advantage of the early adopter's price of $97 for the Glorify Pro app, despite coming with a truly awesome set of features, it only comes with 100 background changes a month. The app allows you to add 2 more contributors to use your access, and since I plan on having a lot of products and clients, this 100 threshold could hold us back in the near future. And that's the other big reason why I paid for the upgrade, because it has unlimited magic background removal. Okay, enough talk, there's no time to waste. Check the links Glorify has provided me to see if the exclusive special early adopters price is still available. I hope it is, because I hope you can enjoy what I think is the best graphics software for e-commerce and online business at a truly affordable one-time price for lifetime access. I can't ask for more.